Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learning Facts. Friends, today we are going to make a model on clock by using cardboard. Friends, before start, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. तो friends, हम लोग को उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? चार्ट पेपर, स्केल, ब्लैक मार्कर, प्रोटेक्टर, फिर पेंसिल, रबर, and eraser, and sharpener. Of green, one green and white, one orange, and cardboard sheet, scissor, and one glue. If you have this locker, you can use this locker. But I haven't got, so I use this. This is a locker for here. So let's start. First we mark in this paper, in this cardboard. Carefully cut this paper. Now friends, you have to cut a little smaller than 2 pieces. This is and smaller than this is. Two things we have to cut. First smaller than this is this, and this is smaller than is this. Is this. So friends, we have to cut this also. Now we have to paste this with triangle. So friends, now we are pasting. You have and you don't use say your parents to use because that's all you have to for some all of us and you have problem and it's a simple and we are using good yes, we are not there. We have to paste this in this. Now friends, we have to paste this. Now friends, we have to paste this in this. Friends, now like this. Now we have to make hands from using this cardboard. First we have to cut the pieces of cardboard. Friends, now we have to mark. Second hand is of 9 centimeters. Friends, we have to put the mark on 8 centimeters and the weight is of 1.5 centimeters. And again mark on 8 centimeters. Down to 8 centimeters. to paste this mirror in chart paper. Chart paper in this second side. Now we are going to make mirror. What is the mirror centimeter? It's silver. And it's silver. Second, so we have to again we gave it 1 centimeter. Now here is 1.5 centimeter. Now again 6.5 centimeters. 1 centimeter here and 1 centimeter this side, 1 centimeter this side. And we have also cut this. Now we are making power. So what is the name of power? The name of power is 4.5. And 4.5. 1 centimeter we have to gap. Now 1.5 centimeter base. 1.5 centimeter. Gap of 1 centimeter. Again 1 centimeter here and 1 centimeter there. Then we have to cut this carefully. While you are using scissor, use scissor carefully because it is harmful, and if you are too small understand your parents or elders to serve, because you can harm your on. You can cut your hand, any body, or you can cut your any body. So your parents to serve if you don't understand it at all. So friends, this two shape is cut. Now friends, we have to paste our hand with green paper, Nina hand with orange paper, and second hand with art paper or yellow club paper. Then now we have to write the numbers which is in numeral number. मैंने सिंपली क्या किया, इन तीनों में प्रोटेक्टर की हेल्प से तीनों में होल कर लिया और इसे इस अच्छे से प्रॉपर्ली इस स्क्रू को घुसाकर इससे टाइट कर दिया। अब हम इसमें लिखेंगे रोमन नंबर। तो ब्लैक पर करेंगे गाइस X I I X 11 12। गाइस सबसे फर्स्ट हम लिखते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट 12 और इसके नीचे क्या रहेगा 6। ठीक है, सबसे फर्स्ट ये लिखना है। इसका भी क्या रहता है गाइस 9 तो I X और इधर से रहता है 3 1 2 3। गाइस अब हम सारे डिजिट करेंगे। यहाँ पर I before 5 and 6 1 2 7 8 यहाँ पर 9 10 11। तो गाइस मेरा आपको मॉडल कैसा लगा? अगर अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड बाय।